Father, the DOH says there's no, at this point, there's no initiative yet to give boosters to those who received Sinovac in the Philippines. But what's happening? What's happening in Indonesia? Because people are worried about Thailand because it's happening after Indonesia, where the healthcare workers also who got fully jabbed with Sinovac also got infected.
Indonesia is doing an experiment on its people. And I am grateful that the Philippine government is not doing random experiments with Filipinos. We have no data about the effects of a third dose. You see, no one has any data on what will happen if you give a third dose, right? There's no control experiment, but Indonesia has decided to give a third dose. In the United States, the government has announced yesterday in response to Pfizer that there is no data at this time that we need a third dose. We need data, right? So until we have data that shows that a third dose will in fact boost immunity, number one, that it is safe. I mean, we do not know if you get a third dose so close to the second dose, is there going to be side effects? We don't know. So the Indonesian government is basically doing an experiment on its people. Historically, we are very hesitant about doing experiments on citizens if there are no controlled trials to determine the risk benefits of these third doses. So I'm actually satisfied with where the Philippines is. And until we have more data that shows that the Delta is really severely undermines the vaccine, we should not give third doses.
And what about Congressman Zamora? Ba, naka-apat na vaccinations na.
He's doing
what do you make of that, Father?
He's doing experiments on himself, and we have to discourage this kind of behavior, because otherwise Filipinos, I've actually been asked, people will say, can I get a third dose? I'll just go to my LGU because I was vaccinated by my company and now my LGU is offering it, or vice versa. I just will not tell them I got vaccinated. So there are Filipinos who are tempted to do this, and we have to make it very clear that there is no data to support any of this behavior.